Hi, so thanks to Mabel we always have plenty of fresh eggs, so I thought I'd show you how to make a really easy mayonnaise. Is that right? Hey, hey. So I have 3 egg yolks, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 250 ml of vegetable oil, 3 teaspoons of lemon juice and a pinch of salt. So I'm just adding the egg yolks and the mustard. I'm going to blend those together well. So this next bit's really important. We just want to add the oil just a few drops at a time and continue that. And just bit by bit continue to add and keep blending. Once you're sure it hasn't split or curdled, you can add a wee bit more and keep going until you've got the consistency that you want. So you can see now it's lovely and creamy, so I'm just adding the salt and the lemon juice. I'm just going to blend that together. So now all you have to do is taste it and season it if needed. You can add more salt or more lemon juice or any other flavours that you fancy. And I'm just going to serve in my little bowl I made in my ceramics class. How cute is that? And there it is, my homemade mayonnaise. It's very yellow because the eggs were just laid this morning, but it does taste good.